Hakasi palay jong katayo ka SENG NPP kala RUNG DKHOT yo Professor Malcolm Tariang bar hakajo ka por kala Pinscam ya ka 16 East Shillong Block Executive Committee. Ukonot ke sang ma menteri rang ba ka jelaw long ba ka jingwan rung jong ba Tariang Sha ka SENG NPP kan long ka jimentoy ka SENG bar kan nang penklan shishu ka jingtre kam ke NPP.
It's a great boost towards the objectives that we want to achieve as a party, and I'm very sure that in the coming days Malcolm will be a major force and a major person who will add much more value to all the work that we're doing in the state and take things forward, not just from the party point of view, but also from the overall policy thinking matters. In all these areas, I'm sure he will be a huge asset for the National People's Party and the state as a whole. Friends, we have seen that in the last 4.5 years, in spite of the multiple challenges that we have faced, and I don't have to tell you what they are. There are countless number of them, and if you start, you will never end looking at all the challenges that were there. And in spite of those challenges, we worked. We faced those challenges. We stood up to those challenges. We worked with a positive mindset. We still are working with a very positive mindset.
National Vice President ke NPP ba Preston Tensang ula Pinscam ba House nam aja arpulai ke NPP kalati kana banjab National East constituency. Uba Tariang par ula penpau ke nongrim jong bar kidau ke bola penis no LD Sha ka SENG NPP.
That I'm here in the NPP because I feel that the leadership of the NPP has something to offer to us, not only at the state level, but even at the grassroots level. And for me, there are a number of things also which throughout the last few months which cemented this decision. For example, the CUET. I'm a teacher by profession, okay, and I could see the tremendous anxiety amongst young people, okay, because of this unknown thing called the CUET. If this had been implemented in Meghalaya, I'm telling you, this year, there would have been absolute chaos in our state, among the education system, and especially amongst our young people, especially those who are in the rural areas, without any proper internet facilities and so on, so forth. Okay. And I'm also happy that this is the government that has also given young people a platform. For example, through the Prime Hub, okay, where young people have been able to launch their small businesses, okay, and do something for a living without depending on government dole-outs, without depending on government jobs.